Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2025 question number 49. Look here, this is the cost volume profit analysis related question. Okay, what are the requirements? Look here, requirement, state the following: selling price per unit selling price. Okay, next one, break even point in units. Okay, next one, profit or loss when activity level is 15,000 units. Okay, firstly we identify the selling price. Look here, the forecasted information relating to single product manufactured and sold by a company with the production capacity 25,000 units is given below. Look here, the forecasted is estimated information related to single product manufactured and sold by a company. Production and selling, there are both works are done by the company, and with the production capacity means number of units production or sales. Okay, production capacity 25,000 units is given below. Look here, contribution to sales ratio 40%, margin of safety in units and value. Okay, 9,000 and rupees value 450,000, total fixed cost 120,000. Okay, selling price, how can we calculate selling price? We can calculate, look here, margin of safety. You know how can we calculate margin of safety? Value. Okay, look here, this is the formula. Margin of safety value. How can we calculate? We firstly identify the number of units margin of safety. After that we multiplied that unit selling price. Okay, number of units, we must identify margin of safety. After that, number of units, this is the value. No, value means selling price. Okay, in that point, these are units, we multiplied in unit selling price. Therefore, we can identify total sales amount of the margin of safety. Look here, the question said some information. Look here, margin of safety, units and value. Units 9,000, value 450,000. 9,000 is units, 450,000 is rupee value. How can we calculate selling price? Selling price is X. Okay, to identify the X, I divided in 9,000 to 9,000, cut it, 9,000 I divide it 50 rupees. What is that? Answer is X is selling price. Selling price is 50. We can easily write it. Selling price per unit rupees is 50. Next one, break even point. How can we calculate break even point? What is the equation of the break even point? Break even point, look here, break even point, units. Look here, break even point in units. Okay, let's go to the break even point. Units. How can we calculate? Total fixed cost dividing unit contribution. How can we calculate unit contribution? Unit selling price unit selling price minus unit variable cost. Total fixed cost directly they supplied total fixed cost. Look here, total fixed cost 120,000. 120 we can easily identify total fixed cost. How can we calculate total contribution, unit contribution? Unit selling price we already calculated is 50. How can we calculate unit variable cost? We can use the ratio. What is that? This is ratio contribution to sales ratio 40%. What is the meaning of that? Contribution to sales ratio. Look here, contribution to sales ratio. How can we calculate? Contribution to sales ratio calculated unit contribution dividing unit selling price multiplied by 100. This is the answer. They get it 40%. 40% means this one, 40%. Okay, 40% means down person is where the selling price is there. Selling price is 100. Selling price. Who is this? Unit contribution is up dial. Unit contribution. Unit contribution. How can we link to the actual values? Look here, there is actual values. Unit selling price. Create a formula. No, you know how can we calculate unit contribution? Actual values. Unit contribution. Unit selling price minus unit variable cost. I use the actual values to this formula. What are the actual values? Actual, we only know selling price. What is the selling price? Actual selling price is rupees 50. Okay, therefore I use this to actual selling price is 50 rupees. There are no information about unit contribution and unit selling price. Therefore I use this percentage. This is the percentage, meaning 100 is selling price. Selling price is this one. Unit contribution is 40. What is the unit selling price relating to percentage? 100 minus 60 is 40. Okay, next one, I link this amount to this one. The 50 is 100. Okay, therefore 50 dividing 100 and multiplied by 60, we can find the variable cost. The unit selling price is actual value. Actual 50 dividing in percentage same person. Percentage same person is 100. Dividing 100 multiplied by 40, this is 30 rupees. Next one, the contribution. How can we calculate? 50 minus 30, 20 rupees. Directly we can calculate this time. 50 dividing 100. 50 dividing 100 multiplied by this one, 40. After that we can find the contribution. Contribution is 20 and variable cost is 30. Look here, we can find easily answer. Unit variable cost is 30. Contribution. Unit contribution is 20. Total fixed cost 120 divided by 20 is 6. 6000 is which one? 6000 is break even point units. Okay, let's see the answer. 6000 units, 6000 units, break even point units 6000. Next one, profit or loss when the activity level of 15,000 units. Therefore we can find the profit or loss using the income statement. 15,000 units. Firstly, I prepare income statement. Income 15,000 units. Okay, this is the rupees. Firstly, we identify the total revenue, total income, sales income, total sales income. How can we calculate? Unit selling price is which one? Unit selling price is 50. The unit income is rupees 50 multiplied by, this is the 15,000 units. 15,000 units income is multiplied by 50. Okay, therefore answer is 75,000. Okay, next one, we deduct total variable cost. How can we calculate? Unit variable cost is 30. Unit, we must calculate 15 units variables, therefore I multiplied that. Therefore 450,000 is answer. Deduct it and 300 I can get. This is the total contribution. Deduct total fixed cost. Total fixed cost is 120. I deduct. Easily we can find the 180 total profit as answer. Total profit, this is the answer. 180 is answer. This is 1000, therefore I rewrite 180. Okay, this is the answer for question number 49. In next video we meet last question number 50.